Here's how to bypass Discord IP ban. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can bypass Discord IP ban. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now, if you have been banned on Discord, then the first thing you want to do is open up a new tab. Now, here you want to search Chrome web extension. Go ahead and select the first option over here. Now, on the search bar, you want to search VPN. Now press enter. You will find different VPNs over here. Go ahead and open whichever you want. Now you want to click on the option of add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Now wait for some time until this extension is downloaded. After it has been downloaded, it will be added to Chrome. Now all you want to do is open that extension. You can go ahead and pin it over here. Now simply open it. Then you want to click on the connect option. And now wait for some time. Once VPN has been connected, you will no longer be banned on Discord. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.